Welcome back to 525 Designs. I'm Erica, and I want to make a quick tutorial on how to crochet a flat heart. We'll make a three-dimensional heart one day, but this one's just going to be flat. You can put it on a bag or something. So all you need is a hook. This is a 5mm, and some yarn. This is size 4 acrylic, just basic, and of course it's pink because it's a heart. So grab some yarn. I'm going to work through this slowly so that there's plenty of time for you to catch it, okay? First thing you need is a magic ring. I do mine differently than anybody else out there. It's just, I don't even know that I could walk you through how to do mine. And then I have my circle. So I have a whole video on how I do it because I do it differently than other people. It's just easier for me. But you have your magic ring, and then we are going to close the ring. Now we're going to chain 3. 1, 2, 3. Into the ring we are going to put all of these next stitches. So the first one is 2 treble stitches. You will wrap your yarn twice around, go through the hook, through the circle, grab your yarn and come back. You will have 4 pieces on there, okay? Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through the last 2. That's a treble stitch. We're going to do another one of those. Wrap your yarn twice, go through the loop, grab the yarn, come back. 4 stitches. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Okay, let's get some more yarn here. The next is 3 double crochets. A double crochet is yarn over, through the work, come back, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, so that's 1, 2, 3 double crochets. The next stitch is another treble crochet. Some people call it a triple. Wrap your yarn twice, go through the work. Alright, we're back to 3 double crochets. 1, 2, 3. 2 treble crochets, 1 and a dog, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, and then the last part is chain 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, grab the tail of your magic circle and pull until it's tight. Then you've got your heart. Take that last chain 3 and then slip stitch. Uh-oh, I dropped the yarn. Slip stitch right into it. And you have a heart. And that's it. There's your little heart. If it were me, I would steam block this, stretch it out a little bit, make it lie really flat, and you can use it on so many things. And there you go. Have fun, make bunches of those.